Hey everybody, it's Daniel Murphy down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina with Innovate Real Estate. Hope everyone's doing well. As we always do when we send out our newsletter, we do shoot this video so that we can add context to the numbers that you're seeing in the newsletter. If you're only watching this directly from YouTube and would like to get that email sent to you as well, please let us know. It does have a little bit more information than just the numbers that we're going to discuss here. So what we do, or what we have been doing, is looking at three main factors. We've been looking at median sale price, we've been looking at days on market, and we've been looking at monthly supply. So for this month, I decided to do one thing different. We're actually going to be looking at the price per heated square foot. So the sold price per heated square foot of a home or a condo. And the reason I do that is every once in a while I like to look, because as we see median prices up or down month over month, although those are very true numbers and they can tell you a lot of information, what it may not tell you if you don't look deeper is in that particular month, with maybe we had a higher median sale price from the previous month, we may have just sold more higher end volume that month. Conversely, if that number dips, it may have just been a lot of lower end sales that month. So one of the figures I like to look at that kind of doesn't really take into account high or low pricing is the price per heated square foot. And so that will tell us how much homes and condos are selling for. If you took the heated square foot, how much per heated square foot are they selling for? So when we're looking at these numbers, it gives us a kind of a better understanding of where the market is. Now, if you have been watching these videos or you've been getting these newsletters, I've been telling you since 2022, possibly even prior to that, we've been in a fairly flat market. We will see increases one month and it dips back down the next month. But on that mean line across, it doesn't deviate too much from it. And that's kind of what we're seeing as well in this price per heated square foot. So in October, so last month, the closing price on all condos was around $211 per heated square foot. The previous month in September was about $220 per heated square foot, so that's about a $9 per heated square foot difference. But it is up over August, which is at $210, and then July was at $216. So you can see basically the market is doing this, but it's always coming back down. What we're looking for to show us that the market is truly recovering is that we want to see that graph line going straight up, not up, down, down, up. That doesn't. That really is just, again, these anomalies month to month on higher end sales or lower end sales. So it is showing around 211 per heated square foot. And now let's take a look at the single family residential side. Again, same thing, pretty much a flat line. But what is kind of nice to see is in October we were at $159 per heated square foot. That is up $8 over both September and August, and still up $5 in July of 2025, which was $154 per heated square foot. So that is a little bit more on an upward trajectory. Now it did dip July to August, but since August it stayed flat, jumped up. So next month's gonna be super important to see where we are. Median sale price is pretty much unchanged. It was $380 in July, $370 in August, $370 September, and then $370. Ooh, sorry about that. $376 today. So really what we're seeing, I think, is a fair market for both buyers and sellers. Often people ask me, oh, are we in a buyer's market or is this a seller's market? Right now, we are in neither. It is a fair market for both parties. Hopefully, as we continue to see interest rates coming down, that may increase the amount of buyer interest we have here in the Myrtle Beach area. When that does happen, we do expect to see at least some increase in the median sale prices for a period of time, as opposed to the up and down. If you have any specific questions about a property here in the Myrtle Beach area that you either own or are looking to maybe make a purchase, give me a call, because what we do is we look at these overall market snapshot. These individual markets, like a Cherry Grove specific or a Surfside specific, may have a different metric. So the market, what we're looking at is a kind of a macro look, and these are micro looks specific to the properties that you're interested in. Some perform better, some perform better, some perform worse when you take it against the market at large. So any questions, all give us a call. Again, Daniel Murphy down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Hope to hear from you. Thanks so much.